Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another quick video. And today what I want to go over is all of the things that's needed for a funnel. And I want to talk about this because if you have a website, you have a business, you need a website. But not only that, you need an entire funnel in order to be able to run your business the right way. Okay. There's a lot of times when people get sales pages and they don't create funnels and they're actually missing out on money because they don't have things set up the way that they need to. So what I want to do is walk you through what that actually looks like and the different options that are available to you when you are ready to build out your funnel. Okay. So we're going to just go down the line and just talk about the different things that we have that can allow you to basically build out a funnel and do it the right way. And not only that, where to go for help if you need help building out a funnel. So a lot of people join the opportunity. And the first thing that they do is they get a sales page. Normally, this is created by the company. Okay, so the company is the one who gives you the sales page. Sometimes you have to pay, sometimes you can get it for free, but that's where you actually start. Okay, so I'm going to do a share screen and just show you the different steps and what is needed in order to create a really good sales funnel. Okay, so you have your sales page, and your sales page basically is what does all of the selling and telling. And this gives information about the opportunity, what you're going to receive if you decide to join, what the opportunity is all about. Normally, a sales page is really good because it works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So while you're eating, while you're sleeping, while you're working, while you're taking your kids to school, your sales page is there for people to click on a link and get the information for your business. Okay. So the part that a lot of people miss, which is very important, is not only do you need a sales page, but you also need a capture page. And the reason why this is important is because with a capture page, this is going to actually allow you to capture an email. So this is the part where a lot of people get confused. Like, you want the email, and I'm going to talk about why that's important, but you want to capture the email. You want to have a capture page that just basically say, click on this link where you can get more information about my business, whether it's your hair products, whether it's a store, maybe you're giving them a free giveaway, like a PDF of some sort, right? So you want to capture the email, and you want to make sure that you're telling them why you want their email. So it could be something like, listen up, I'm giving away a free PDF on how to grow your hair within the next 30 to 60 days, right? And then they can put their email in and then hit a button, which takes them to the sales page. So you're just capturing the email, okay? And this is important because when you capture an email, you can then follow up with the person over and over again to give them information about what it is that you do. If you don't capture the email, you're not able to speak to them on a regular basis to get more information to give them more information about you. You can only do this through a capture page. And sometimes people call it also a landing page, okay? So this is the first place where you come and where you should go before the sales page. Now I'm going to show you where you can go to get a capture page, because a lot of opportunities, they give you a sales page and then you have to go somewhere else to get the capture page created. And that's fine. You just need to know where to go to get it or where to go to create it. Okay. So I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. And then what we're going to do is go to the next step. Okay. So after you've gotten your capture page done and you're all set to go with that, the next thing you need is an autoresponder. Okay. And the reason why an autoresponder is so important is because with an autoresponder, it allows you to send out emails to the emails that you captured through your capture page and your landing page. If you don't have an autoresponder, you cannot send out emails. So an email can look something like this. You know, you can say, hey, Sue, let's just say Sue is one of the emails that you captured, Sue Bonnie, Sue Henderson at gmail.com, right? So you're sending her an email and you say, hey, Sue, I see that you took a look at my opportunity or what it is that I'm offering. What I would like to do is give you an opportunity to connect with me to get more information about what it is that I do. Click here to get more information. And what autoresponder do is giving them an invite back to the sales page, right? And giving them a reminder that they clicked on your site and that they need to go back and look at it again. Now, what we love about this is with emails, you can send these out several times a week, okay? You can send these out as often as you want. You can send them out every day, every other day, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, whatever's comfortable for you. And this is just giving people a reminder, because sometimes it takes a person 5 to 7 times to see your opportunity before they decide to actually join your opportunity. Okay, no matter what it is, if they're interested, they need to see it more than once. With just a sales page, you're only going to see it once. But with a capture page, now you're giving yourself the ability to send it to them unlimited times so that they can see it over and over again and remind them that you're still there and that you have something to offer to them. Okay, so now with emails, you need the email swipes. Okay, and this is important because sometimes people don't know what to say. You know, what are you going to say to the person? What is your email going to look like? Where do I get an email swipe from? So there's different ways that you can get these email swipes, which is just emails about what it is that you do, about your business, maybe a little bit of information about you, right? So what the easiest way to do this is to, whatever field or business that you're in, whatever niche you're in, you are going to go to other people's pages and you're going to opt into their capture page. Once you opt into their capture page, you'll start receiving emails from their business. You can then now use those emails, tweak them, right? Don't use them word from word, but you're going to tweak them. And then you can use those email swipes to give out information about your business. Okay. So you can always take an email and recreate it and use it to send out to people with your link. So as an example, let's say you have a Shopify store and you sell coffee mugs. You can then go to another site that sells coffee mugs. And if they have a capture page, just go right to their capture page, put in your email, and now you're going to start getting emails about their coffee mug business that you can use and apply to your business. Again, recreating the email. Okay. So now once you have that in place, you have your capture page, you have your sales page, you have your order responder, you have your email swipes, you now need a domain name. Okay. And a domain name is important because if you have a business, where you want people to go, if you got a coffee mug business, you may want your domain to be coffeemugmornings.com, right? That's the domain name. Where do you go for this domain name? You can go to GoDaddy. You can also go to Namecheap. These are just a few places, and you can get a domain for very cheap, as little as 15 to 12 bucks. You pay for the domain for the year. The domain is now yours. And this is where people can go to get information about your business. Because when you get your capture page, it's going to be, you're going to get an ugly link, right? And it's going to be just a whole bunch of numbers and letters and mumbo jumbo. You know, that's what you're going to get. And the same thing for your sales page. You don't want to send that to somebody. You want to brand your business with the name. Okay. So how do we do that? You come up with the name, you go onto GoDaddy and look it up. And then what you do is once you go to GoDaddy and you find a name that you like, you purchase the name, and now you can use this name for your business. So I'm going to just show you guys what it would look like really quick. So you go to GoDaddy, right? And then like if you do a coffee mug business, you find your perfect domain, GoDaddy.com. So you go here and you just type in, let's see, coffee mug mornings.com, right? And let's just, see if it's available. So you hit search domain, and then it's going to pull up whether or not that domain is available. So Coffee Mug Mornings is available for 1 cent for a 2-year registration, right? So you just hit get it, and now it's going to take you to your cart. So when you get to your cart, you can now purchase it. So you could do, let's see what if you put in 2 years. 2 years is $19. You're getting 49% off, right? This 1 cent is if you are a new member, if you don't have a GoDaddy account and you're using GoDaddy for the first time, you can get it dirt cheap. But 2 years is $19, and then you can do 1 year for just $11.99, and now you have a domain. The full domain privacy means that they can't see your address and your personal information. You can buy that for another $9.99. If you don't want to, just get the domain for $11.99. Looks good. Once you see the name, you can continue shopping, and then you can cash out. Now you have a domain name to go with your business, okay? And that's how you brand yourself. You have a nice, pretty domain name where people can go to your capture page. You can capture their email, and then from there, they can go directly to your sales page, okay? So this is the process for building a business where you can actually start getting more leads to your business. You can make your business more profitable, okay? And these are the steps that you want to take. So I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope that you got some education from what I'm teaching you about running a successful business, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. So have a great day, guys, and stay blessed.